This installation manual is produced to obtain installation quality and achieve customer satisfaction by observing standards when installing Samsung Electronics system air conditioner based on installation guide. Please wear protective gear and stay safe when working. Select proper installation place in accordance with the condition. Must get user's consent. Lay the protection mat on the floor and unpack the packing box. Set the installation location of the product. Select punching locations on the ceiling using a drawing. Remove M-bar and carrying channel which are interfered with the product installation after punching installation area on the ceiling. Mark the location where full thread bolt is inserted on the surface of the ceiling. Drill a hole in the marked area. Fix anchor, nut, 8 washers to full thread bolt, and then fix with anchor punch. There is a good tool to fix with integral type of anchor punch without climbing up the ladder. Insert stopper between nuts which are fixed in the bolt for ceiling fixing. The inside of a refrigerant pipe which will be connected to indoor unit should be cleaned without any dust. Use proper tool based on depth of flare area of each pipe size to proceed pipe flare work. The shape of flare area should have no slope, wrinkle, crack, ununiform thickness. Indoor unit by inserting hanger brackets between nuts which are fixed to bolt for ceiling fixing. Adjust the horizontality by correcting distance and height between ceiling and the indoor unit by using insulation gauge, and then fix the indoor unit. If the indoor unit is not installed using a jig, noise or water level can be misgauged, resulting in water leak into the room. When the product is shipped, the nitrogen gas is filled in the indoor unit. This gas must be purged before connecting refrigerant pipe. As a preliminary work, glue the drain pipe socket to the pipe completely using adhesive. Connect the pipe to the liquid pipe and gas pipe of indoor unit respectively, and then tighten the nut on the expansion area moderately with the hand. After that, use torque wrench to tighten it to adjust tightening torque according to each pipe's diameter. Tighten the pipes to prevent leakage by applying tightening torque for each diameter. Wrap the connected area of indoor unit and refrigerant pipe with heat insulating materials, and then fix it with a cable tie. Insert the flexible hose to the drain of indoor unit until it clicks into place. Connect drain pipe to the opposite entrance of the flexible hose, which was prepared in advance. Install the drain pipe by making the connection length as short as possible. Failure to observe the installation standards may result in water leak. Insulate the connected flexible hose area with heat insulating materials. After installation, fix it with a cable tie. After installing the indoor unit, cover it with a plastic cover so that any paint or dust cannot go inside until placing a panel. Power line and communication line must be connected after disconnecting the power supply. Disassemble the cover screws from the control box. Insert power line and communication line in the standard hole in the control box. Set the length of a power line and communication line on the location of terminal block, and use exclusive tool to avoid damage the sheaths of the cables. More than 20 mm of the outer sheath of power line and communication line of indoor unit should go into the electrical device. When wiring indoor and outdoor, the connection wire should not be too tight, but be loose moderately. Compress the O-ring at the end of power line and communication line by using an exclusive tool. Connect the power and communication lines to terminal block strongly by using a proper tool to make them endure external force in the range of tightening torque. To protect the product from flooding or external shock, insert the power and communication lines into a protecting tube when installing. After unpacking panel front, inspect the appearance. Open the grill inlet of the panel and inspect the appearance of the filter. Insert the hook of the panel to the grooves on the both sides of the indoor unit to fix. Fix the placed panel with the screws. If not fastening screw completely, gap is made between the indoor unit and the panel, forming tube. Check whether the panel is completely fixed to the indoor unit. When fastening screws, there should be no gap between the panel and the ceiling. Also, the ceiling and the ceiling joint should be in parallel. Connect the connector of the panel to the PCB connector of the indoor unit. If the connector is not connected or different color connector is connected, air conditioner and the remote control will not be operated. Wiring arrangement, and then fix control box cover with the screws. Close the filter. Connect the grill inlet to the panel. Check whether the safety hooks of the panel are connected to the both sides of the grill. Then press the push button to fix the grill. Thank you.